Hello friend, today I will teach you how to wear our smoke detector, heat detector, smoke and heat combined detector. The connection way is all similar. Please look at this smoke detector base. It has 4 ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the red cable connects the positive terminal of the power supply. The black one connects with the negative terminal. Now, officially start wearing. The red cable is connected to port 1. The black one connects with the 3 ports. Finally, the red cable and black cable need to go back to the adjustable fire alarm panel, and the red cable connects to the 1 port of the last devices. The black cable connect to the 3 ports of the last devices. The red cable go back to log out positive. The black cable go back to log out negative. This will finally form a lock.